Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to post to other app a specific post on Instagram. Maybe you want to post your post on your Instagram to the other app but you don't know how. So in today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can post to the other app a specific post on Instagram. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. Once you open it, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into your Instagram profile. And then in here, scroll down and see the post you want to post to the other app. And then in here, at the upper right corner of the post, you will see this three dots icon. Tap on it. And then from here, you'll see this option, Post to Other Apps. Simply tap on this Post to Other Apps. And then as you can see in here, you can edit the captions and then just simply tap on the Share to Facebook and then connect your Instagram to your Facebook account and then simply tap on this check button. If you know another way on how you can post to the other app on a specific post from Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.